deposit on Binance only in Australia using bank transfer. In this video, I will show you how to deposit on Binance in Australia using bank transfer. Now, first of all, make sure you log into your Binance account. Now, first of all, head over to trade. Now, click on P2P. Now, after that, make sure you select buy, not sell. Now, after that, select your currency, and in this case, in Australia, it will be the AUD. And after that, in the all payment, select bank transfer like this. Now, as you can see, this page is refreshed, and as you can see, this is all of the provider that accept bank transfer, as you can see. Now, after that, make sure to select one of them and make sure you select the legit ones. Now, for example, I will select this provider and I will click buy USDT. Now, as you can see, make sure to read all the instructions from here to save your money. Now, after that, tap how much you want to buy of USDT, and this is how much. And as you can see, order limits 5,000 to 30. Now, make sure you select the right provider that you are able to deal with. Now, after that, if you make sure that you enter all of the info, now after that, set your payment. As you can see, bank transfer. Now, after you select your bank transfer, now you can tap on buy USDT. Now, as you can see, your order is successfully, and now as you can see, you can complete and you can connect with this seller. And now this is how to deposit on Binance in Australia using a bank transfer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.